Hello, Tanmay here. Today we are at Cafe Hungrella, and today with us is Shubham Dadge. He owns this cafe, and this cafe is in Ahmednagar city. So today we are going to discuss that how video marketing and all marketing things can help him to grow his cafe in Ahmednagar city. So I'm going to give him some digital marketing tips and video marketing tips.
I am on a mission to help 10,000 entrepreneurs to grow their business digitally.
You got the best business of your start.
Now, raise the money, hire experts, and grow. I am here to answer your questions. Start making video content.
Shubham, do you have any questions about video marketing, and what just you can ask me and I will guide you how you can grow.
The question was that how can videos help me in to grow my business?
Okay, this is the basic question, that how video can help any cafe in Ahmednagar to grow his business. So video content, what people are doing naturally on Facebook and Instagram, they are just putting posts and they are just putting videos of how they are just creating their dishes and their location and all. Actually, this is not a video content. Video content means you have to tell people that what is actually your dish. So what type of content you have to make, just listen. Let's say you are making a dish. Let's say you are making tell me any good dish.
Okay, so let's assume that I am making a
burger. So what you have to tell people should engage with your video. So if you just make a video how burger is made, then what will people will just see and they will just scroll down. So you have to engage people. So you explain how the burger is made. So you explain that this is the YouTubers, how they make the video. There's just it's creating like we are using this sauce, the benefits and all. So you have to go in depth in the content and you have to explain everything about the dish. So your content should be 5 minutes, 6 minutes long. So people will engage more and they will understand the in-depth value of that dish. So it's burger, sandwich, or any chicken dish. So how it's made, what are the advantages, what are the health benefits or all, if there are any. So you have to go through that. This type of video content you have to make. And most important thing is that people in Ahmednagar city are any cafe you take in Ahmednagar city, they are not making video content in depth like this. So if you make content like this and if you post 10-15 videos on Instagram or on weekly basis, not only one video, one post on or daily basis or weekly basis, that's not going to help. You have to put lots of content, lots of good value of your content, video content, in-depth value. And if you post that, no any other cafe in Ahmednagar city is doing this. So it's very beneficial for you because video marketing for businesses is just booming. And if you do it, you will be the first one to grow your cafe in Ahmednagar city. It will help you a lot. So that's it. Another question?
Another question for you was, Tanmay, that what type of videos should I create to boom my business?
So content, what type of content? Okay, video content, people have just you're running cafe. That doesn't mean you just post of your dishes and all. You can tell people through your videos that how you're running your business, what difficulties you are facing in your business, what challenges, what are the advantages you're getting. Plus you have to post reviews of people, lots of reviews, lots of testimonials, not only 1 and 2 testimonials on your website, but you have to create video testimonials of your people, customers, at least 15 to 20 video content. So you have to post that also on Instagram on daily basis. That will also help you. Plus how you manage difficulties, advantages, and there are more things that I have explained in my YouTube channel as well, that what type of content you can create for your small cafes and all. So anything else?
And the last question for you was that how to grow like a cafe business with low budget.
So yes, this is also a greater problem, that people don't have that much budget. And what people do, they try to run ads on social media platforms. So actually social media platforms are not to run ads for restaurants and cafes. What you have to do, people search for food on Zomato and Swiggy. So you have to use your money on Zomato and Swiggy to raise at the first place, rank your cafe at least in top 3. So this is how you have to make. And I have created a video also on this, that how if you have low budget, then how you can market yourself and grow your business using this Zomato and Swiggy. This video is on YouTube. So this is how you can, there are so many tips and there are so many things I have. So you can just follow Cafe Hungrella on Instagram and follow me on YouTube as well. So that's it for today. And Shubham, do you want to tell something about your cafe to my subscribers and my followers, so that people from Ahmednagar city can understand where is your cafe located and all?
So my cafe is based at Gulmohar Road, Parijat Chawk, Fantasy Tower. I will like to tell to your subscriber that you must try our chicken. We serve fresh chicken in town and quality over quantity. And we are having some unique dishes in a cafe. Thank you. Thank you for Tanmay for the marketing skills you gave me. It was really appreciated. Thank you.
Yes. So just follow Cafe Hungrella and follow me if you want some marketing tips, and see you in the next episode. Thank you.